some people may use it as an excuse, which is mali. Okay? So, nabanggit ko kanina, an aspect of mental health is being able to handle stress well. So, in the field of psychology, this may be termed as grit or resilience, di ba? Or coping strategies, ganon.
Is it possible that society is placing too much emphasis on mental health nowadays? That it's been used as an excuse to skip not doing things that are quite normal or expected for us. Gaya nung sinabi mo, may marami silang reklamo, then gagamitin lang yung mental health card. For example, yung younger generation of employees asking for more leeway to be absent, to take mental health breaks, or yung their need for trigger warnings muna, di ba? Usually mga palabas ngayon may mga trigger warnings, or the tendency to blame their bad behavior on their mental health issues.
Apo.
What do
So,
you think?
that's an excellent question po. Sa aking palagay, bilang isang mental health professional, you know what? You can never be too concerned about your mental health. That's the first point. And the second point, nakakatuwa, I've also subscribed to this podcast of psychologists who are Catholic in their practice also, na alam nyo, mental health daw, according to them, is a moral obligation. Na parang, it's my moral obligation to keep myself mentally healthy. Okay, so gusto ko munang balikan yung first point. Okay, una na bakit you can never be too concerned about your mental health. I think the problem is not the concern on mental health because at every moment of your life, at every second, you could always step back and examine, tama ba yung iniisip ko? Tama ba yung nararamdaman ko? And tama ba yung ginagawa ko? As Catholics or Christians who are listening to this podcast, that's mindfulness in a Catholic sense. That's being aware of yourself. That's something like examination of conscience, discernment of the spirits, right? Ganun,
Right.
you can never dwell too much on your mental health. Siguro kung saan tayo nagkakaproblema is the manner on how we try to find that health na minsan mali na. Okay? Kasi there are persons, opo, tama, some people may use it as an excuse, which is mali. Okay? So, nabanggit ko kanina, an aspect of mental health is being able to handle stress well. So, in the field of psychology, this may be termed as grit or resilience, di ba? Or coping strategies, ganon. So, and also being able to function well, to realize your full potential as a human being with all your capacities, your talents, your skills, your passion, that's mental health. Ngayon, kung kunwari empleyado ako and I take a leave for 1 month for kunwari may mental health problem, dalawa lang yon. Either it's valid kasi yun na ang gano'n nakatindi yung mental health concern niya na kailangan ng i-balance yung physiological state niya or yung state ng katawan, ibalik yung sleep, ibalik yung eating habits, i-medicate, okay, pwedeng valid yun. Pero pangalawa, I get your point, sometimes it becomes invalid, na it becomes an excuse. Na kunwari, I have to prioritize my mental health, di muna ako magsasubmit ng requirements ko. I have to prioritize my mental health. Hindi ko muna kakausapin yung nanay ko. I have to prioritize my mental health. Iiwan ko muna yung mga anak ko. Okay?
Or di mo na ako papasok ng trabaho.
Oo, hindi mo na ako papasok na ano. No, that's not mental health, okay? Kasi pwede mong gawin yon, okay? Pero at the end of the day, you wouldn't feel fulfilled kasi pwedeng magkaroon pa rin ng guilt, ng regret. At the end of the day, you will have to face consequences na bakit ko ginawa yun. Magsasuffer ka pa because of the result of your actions. Pagagalit sa yung anak mo, mga co-workers mo, mga tao sa paligid mo. Okay, so you can never be too concerned about your mental health. It's just the manner of achieving it. Nagkakaproblema tayo. Opo.